Good morning, everybody. So first of all, I just want to say excuse my appearance, but yeah, it's one of those days where it's gloomy and kind of rainy, actually, I think, and cold and yuck. And little Ava, it has a little cold, so we're just kind of bumming around today and having a lazy day. And we're just about to go for a little sleigh ride because it's getting kind of cooped up in the house. So yeah. Say hey guys. Say we're going for a walk.
Walk.
You like my tracksuit? Say I'm sick.
Sick.
I have a cold.
Tell.
All right, well let's go get dressed.
Yes.
Well, our plan failed, eh? It's raining out pretty bad. The snow is melting. So we're just gonna, whoops, I'm just gonna push her around or pull her around in the backyard for a little bit, just so we can kind of get some fresh air. Whee! Ready? Here we go. Is that fun?
Fun.
Are you eating snow? She just ate a chunk of snow. It's so mild now. There's a wind though. That's all that's out here is your playhouse. There's grass in there still. I don't think in there's ever really seen snow since the winter. You don't even know what to do with yourself.
House.
Yeah, it's your house.
House.
You gonna go inside? Go inside. Poor girl, we don't know where her winter boots are. We won't stay out long. Hi, I would like to order something. Can I get an ice cream cone, please? You making me an ice cream cone? What's in here? Oh, look! There's a surprise in there. What's in here? What is it?
Leaves.
A leaf. What else? It's a turtle. I bet we could make a turtle. Oh, it's pretty crunchy. Let's see. What is it?
Joking.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Want me to make another one? Okay. Make another one. This is so crunchy. It's like little ice pellets. Not really snow. It's more snow over there, I guess. Here, making another one. Yo, I have a boogie face. You need a Kleenex?
Kisses.
Do you need a Kleenex?
No.
You don't? I think you do. Come here.
More.
Can you do it?
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Here, why don't we go to this? Come over here.
Yeah.
Come over here. Because this is like the fluffy snow. And we'll do it.
Wow.
Wow. Let's see. Here you go.
Hello.
You're welcome. Go put it in the house again. Look, there's another turtle there. Another turtle here. Okay, come bring it in the house. Come in the house. Oh, you're gonna come around here? Okay, lay it down there. See if it'll come out. Lay it down like this. Go. Gonna come out? Oh, there it is.
More.
More? Okay. Hey guys, so super weird. I'm sitting on the floor right now, but honestly, it's the best lighting I have in the living room. I didn't really want to go and set up somewhere else. But I just put Ava down for a nap, and she, poor thing, has so much congestion. Like, her nose is just like dripping like green, and she just is not feeling good. She fell asleep pretty much on the floor here while I was changing her diaper, and I carried her down to bed, and I kind of like, I have a cool mist humidifier going in her room, and then I have her like propped up on some pillows, so hopefully that'll help her get some sleep, because she was up at like 6 o'clock this morning, and that's early. Like, usually she's tossing and turning, but like she was like up and just couldn't sleep anymore because she was just so congested. And she wasn't like this yesterday, so poor thing. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. I have my tea, which is too far away, but I'm just gonna sit here and drink some tea, possibly watch some Netflix after I'm done filming this, and I'm just gonna kind of relax. I'm super duper tired, and I don't know if I'm kind of coming down with a cold as well, but I don't know. Say hey guys, we're hanging out in Ava's bed. We were just getting sick of being upstairs, and there is not much to do outside, and it's cold. What are you doing? So we're just hanging out. Boop, boop. And there goes the phone. She's got all kinds of stuffies in her bed. Yes, you do. What do you do down here? Do you play? She turned on her sound machine. Can you turn off your sound machine? Turn it off. Thank you. Okay, come here. No, turn it off. Turn it off. It's loud. Thank you. Come here. You stinker! You stinker! Don't fall down the crack. Is there a crack there? I don't know. But yeah, I don't really know what this vlog is gonna be. It's not gonna be good. Okay, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Hey, take your dodo out for a sec. Take it out. Tell everyone what we had for dinner. What did we have for dinner?
Banana.
What did we have for dinner? Did you have a cheeseburger?
Oh, big girls.
You had burgers. I was super duper lazy today, and well, hey, did you just bite? Don't bite, Mama. Give me a kiss now. Give me a kiss now. Don't bite. Whoops, that's completely upside down. Oh my gosh. Look at the camera.
Bad.
You're in bed. You don't bite, okay? She's cutting these guys. So she's been biting all these dodos. And I'm having to throw them out because she's puncturing them. Ow. But yeah, anyways, I was super duper lazy today, and I did not want to cook. Ow. So we got Harvey's because we can. We don't eat out a lot. We probably eat out about once a week. And it's usually near a weekend. So it's usually like a Friday or Saturday. But today, or this week, it was Thursday, and that's okay. So, my arm is officially dying, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to check out my last video. It's a get to know me tag. Please do leave questions below, and I will be doing a Q&A very soon, and I will answer all of your questions. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Say thank you.
Go.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Ava. Do you want to have a bath?
Okay. Bus.
Bath?
Okay.
Do you want to have a bath?
Bus.
What do you want to have?
Bus. Bus.
Look at me.
Bus.